This show is all about the cutting edge of technology, and from all over the UK and overseas, all over Europe, the key players are here and everything is all under one roof.
There have been numerous firsts in advanced engineering. Today at Advanced Engineering 2017, we've asked some of the key industry players what ranks top.
The most innovative thing in engineering by far, Concorde.
The internet.
The light bulb.
The wheel. The computers. Probably the mobile phone.
The best and most significant technical article is definitely the pencil.
Well, shows like this are very important for running sure. There's no substitute for meeting your potential customers and your existing customers, and this environment is exactly what we need to do that.
We came last year, very small stand, just to see what happened, had great success. So as you can see, we put a little bit more effort and a little bit more style into it this year.
We believe that hydrogen cars will be a complementary technology to battery electric cars in the future. The country needs both.
Extremely happy with how the show's gone this year. It's the most busy advanced engineering show we've had so far. The aisles have been buzzing right through day one, and sometimes in the second day of a show it can be a little bit quieter, but it's absolutely as busy and buzzy as it was yesterday, so we're really chuffed about it.
We're GOM, we're an optical measuring company, and today we're here with the Atos Scanbox, which is an automated solution for measuring lots of different parts, including this knee joint.
Well, actually, one of the reasons it's one of our very, very favorite shows in Europe is because all the big actors, the industry of the UK and abroad, which is present here. So it makes our time very valuable.
Some of the key highlights this year included a great expansion of our Enabling Innovation Zone, sponsored by Magna International and supported by the KTN. 50 SMEs have been able to show their innovations on there, which has been fantastically well received by the industry.
So we're a Manchester-based startup who raised about $2.5 million this year in funding. We've invented the world's most powerful optical microscope lens, and we are here looking for industry partners to get people using this technology. We've had some fantastic conversations and we're hoping to break into industry in the next couple of years.
This has been a really thrilling experience. For me, the highlight of today has been seeing the big corporate players and seeing some of the growth companies that occupy that important middle space has been quite inspirational.
It's been a really interesting show. There's a real rake of suppliers here, those that you would expect to see, some new ones particularly around the edges, and some great demonstrations as well, so it's been really, really interesting.
The Preston show is very impressive. You know, the halls, the way it's expanded over recent years, and where the sectors are also put into areas of the arena where everybody can focus on aerospace or engineering or injection moulding. Very impressive.
So we're seeing an increasing growth of composites in the UK, composites opportunity globally, people moving from metals into composite solutions. For example, we're currently developing with Williams Engineering a wishbone that was made traditionally in steel and maybe in aluminium, but now we're looking at using composite materials.
Love the show. We come to the show every year. It's one of those places you can come and sort of meet our clients and old friends.
Had a fantastic show. First time we sponsored the VIP lounge. We've had some great conversations. We've been talking to lots of interesting people, and it's just been a really fantastic turnout for us, so yeah, it's been great.
I'd really like to give a big thank you to all of our sponsors, our exhibitors here, and of course our visitors who really make the show what it is, and really look forward to seeing everybody next year in 2018.